both had to work on last Saturday.
Uh-huh.
And Caleb
Okay,
went with one
I
of the
am
neighbors and
at
Gavin went with the other.
Angela's place at 17368 Francisco. This sensor is red and this one is green, and the garage door does not go up more than this much, and the motor is the problem, it seems. Whatever brand it is. Okay, it says 1/2 horsepower model CM86. Can you read that? CM8.
CM8600XLM.
Good. Okay, that's all. It's Angela. Okay, and that's it. Other than that, it's stuck that high. It doesn't go up more than that. You want to push the button? Let's see what happens now. Okay, Angela is going to push the button and it will go down. Da-da-da.
You have to hold it for it to go back down.
Oh. So how does it go down then? You got to hold the button? Okay, let's push the button again. So that's where it stops. And you got to hold the button, right? Button. Okay. That's it.